Hey bells, welcome to 12 Days of Vlogmas with me. In today's video, I'll be doing my everyday makeup routine. As you guys can see, I'm just showing you guys what my face looks like before, and now I'm gonna go ahead and clip my hair back out of my face. So the first thing I like to do is I like to use my Ambi Even and Clear moisturizer. What I love about this moisturizer is that it has SPF 30 in it, so it has your sunscreen, girl, and your skin is gonna be protected, okay? Period. But I do really love Ambi products, and I'm starting to use their products more because I'm trying to get rid of a lot of those dark spots on my face. Next, I'll be using this NYX matte finishing spray. I like to go ahead and put that right over my moisturizer, and then I go ahead with some of that lip remedy. This is kind of just like Vaseline. I got it at my beauty supply store, and it makes my lips feel extremely soft before applying makeup. So first, I'm going to be using my Smith & Cult foundation. I actually use that foundation to go ahead and conceal my eyebrows. My eyebrows really don't have a shape, y'all, but I feel like just adding that foundation to my eyebrows, I feel that it makes it a lot more neater, and it kind of gives me a little shape on my eyebrows. But yeah, I don't always use this as foundation. I normally just go ahead and use it for my eyebrows. And now I'm going to be applying my foundation, which is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup in color 6W1 Sandalwood. This is my favorite foundation, y'all. This is pretty much how it comes. If you do want a pump on the foundation, you do have to go ahead and buy that separately. But I just pour a little bit on my makeup brush here, and then I just go ahead and try to dab it on all of those dark spots that I have on my face first, and then I proceed to apply it to my entire face. But y'all, this foundation is thebomb.com, and if you watch my Amazon fall favorites, I definitely did mention this foundation, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys kind of what it looks like with the side with foundation and then with the side without foundation. But if you have not tried Estee Lauder, I definitely do recommend it. As you guys can see here, I'm taking that matte finishing spray, and I'm actually spraying this again. I love to go ahead and put this right before I apply my powders on my face. And here I'm just using Juvia's Place pressed powder. I believe this is in the color Goli, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure, y'all, but I'll go ahead and try to link everything down below. But I just go ahead and apply that to my entire face. And like I said, I feel like applying this right after spraying that setting spray, it works perfectly, y'all, and my makeup stays matte all day long, okay? And now I'm going to be using the Watch Me blush palette. This is by the Crayon Case. Sorry, y'all, mine's a little beat up. I done dropped this so many times, y'all, but I'm pretty much gonna go ahead and use that lighter color tan that you saw, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add that to my eyelids. I feel that my face is really oily, especially like in my T-zone and on my eyelids, so I do like to go ahead and put just a little bit of that blush powder there just to get that shine. And then for my lashes, I will be using the Ardell lashes, and I'll be using the eyelash glue from Miss A. If you guys ever heard of Shop Miss A, it is thebomb.com. So if you know, you know. But this is like $1.55, I believe. And y'all, it has such a strong hold for lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit. And now I'm going to come in with this contour kit. I'll try to find it and leave it below, but it's so old, y'all. I don't even know like the brand on it. I think it's Nick AK or something like that. I'll have to double check. But I do like to use that lighter color in the contour kit. And I like to add a powder, y'all, under my eye to conceal. I feel like it's so easy and it's so fast, and you don't have to worry about, you know, waiting for that liquid to dry. It just works perfectly, y'all. So Boom, there we go. The concealer is done, y'all. And now it is time for the blush, okay? Watch my blush, period. So I'm going to be using Hot Cocoa out of that Watch Me Blush palette. So as you guys can see, I use that palette for eyeshadow, and I also use this palette for blush. So I'm just taking that Hot Cocoa, and I love the way that it looks on my face. I'm not really into that pink reddish blush. I'm more into like browns and like dark burgundy colors. So as you guys can see, that's pretty much how it looks. And then I'm going to go back into that Watch Me Blush palette, and I'm just going to take a little bit of gold and just go ahead and put that at the top of my little cheekbone right there. And then I'll be taking some Amuse eyeliner. I believe I also got that from Shop Miss A, and it was like $1, and it is like the best cream eyeliner. It goes on so bold, y'all. That's what I really do love about this eyeliner. And as you guys can see, I apply my eyeliner like right in my lash line, and then I proceed to go ahead and make a really neat line at the top. I am going to go ahead and put lashes on, but I do like to go ahead and have eyeliner on both the top and the bottom. So now it is time for me to put these lashes on, and sorry y'all, I gotta look in the mirror for this, okay? I just can't. But anyways, I go ahead and take the eyelash and I press it to the middle of my eye, and then I'll try to press towards the inside of my eye and then the outside of my eyelid. That's normally how I apply mine. I don't use any special tweezers or anything like that. And then I just go ahead and put some mascara on both my bottom and top lashes, y'all. My bottom lashes are kind of non-existent, but that's okay. We still gonna put mascara. And the last thing I like to do is I like to go ahead and add some brown lip liner, y'all. Okay, I feel like this really just makes my lip gloss stand out because I'm a very plain person, okay? So just by me using lip line, that's a big step I took, y'all. But this is like the ultimate glam lippy that I absolutely love. So after I apply that, I do go ahead and try to smear my lips together, and then I'm going to come in with this pink Mary Kay lip gloss, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that. I don't know, y'all. It's something about that brown and pink combination that I just love, okay? It gives you like the perfect lippy, y'all. I mean, just look at it. Ain't it cute? Let me know down in the comment section below if you ever tried this brown and pink lip combo. I feel like it's really the best, y'all. It's really the best, okay?